Alright, so let's get started on fixing up these lollipop chickens. So this is what we're looking for here. And here's our regular little chicken. So the way I like to do these is, you know, come down a little bit, maybe about, I don't know, about right there. And I go ahead and I just kind of make a, go all the way around the chicken. There's a lot of ligaments in here, and that's really what's kind of holding this on. And you can see, let's see. See if I can find one here. See these little white things right here? I don't know if you can see that, but that's the little ligaments there. And that's kind of what's holding it on. So you just kind of go around. Takes a little time, but it comes, once you get it, it comes off pretty easy. Okay, once you get those ligaments pulled, just pull this back. There's an end here, and you're going to just want to get a paper towel here or a rag or something and just pull this back, this skin back over the end, just like that. And then get it down. Then you can take your knife, or you can take some poultry scissors and just kind of cut that off and clean it up a bit. And then what we'll do is we'll just work that skin down like that, and there you go. And just do all your chicken like that. So our lollipop chicken is all lollipopped up, so let's go ahead and season this bad boy. We're gonna go ahead and season it with some of this Cosmo's Honey Killer Bee. I'm loving this stuff right now, and we're just gonna season pretty liberally on all sides, and then we'll get our smoker fired up and be ready to rock and roll. Alright, so those bad boys are seasoned up. Let's go ahead. We're going to put a stick of butter in this pan right here. And we're going to take about 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Or more, just depending on what. This is frozen garlic here. It's just minced. I buy this garlic in bulk and I mince it up and then I freeze it. It works out perfectly. So we're just going to do that, and what's just going to happen is this butter is going to melt and the garlic and everything. We're just going to kind of baste these bad boys as we're smoking. So let's go ahead, put our lollipop chicken in here. All right, let's go put these on the smoker. All right, pit barrel's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and stick these bad boys in here like that. Using a pit barrel cooker, go ahead and put your rods in. Alright. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead and put the lid onto this. Okay, so what we're looking for, the pit barrel is running a little high right now, about 280 degrees. Probably drop down to 250 or something to that effect. Maybe stay at 280, I'm not sure. But anyway, what we're looking for in the chicken legs is about 175 degrees at the end, but we're also going to be basting these. So we're going to look for about maybe 165 or 160. We'll pull them and then we'll glaze them up with some sauce, then put them back on there to set that sauce. Also want to mention I got 2 chunks of apple wood that I put on top of my charcoal briquettes. Alright, so it's only been about 30 minutes, guys, but we're all melted up, so I'm just going to give these a quick base. We got our, I wouldn't call this a bark yet, but you can see I'm putting it on there. It's not falling off, and that's what we want. Just don't want it to fall off. But I'm going to do all these. I'm going to just baste these. Probably only going to baste them once, maybe twice. We'll see until they're done. Alright, guys, we are up to temp. So, it's been an hour and a half, actually. We're going to go ahead and remove these right here real quick. Let's put the lid back on so we don't lose all that. Alright, fighting the flies. Alright, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our little chicken wing rack here. We're going to dunk. Boom. Ooh, that's hot. We're just going to keep doing this until we get them all ready, and then we're going to put them back on the smoker. We're gonna just do this until we get a good crust on there, sets a little bit. I think they're about ready here. Ugh, scared I'm gonna lose some. Alright, so we got our lollipop chicken's been resting about 5 or 10 minutes or whatever. They look nice. I got them inside. We're fighting the flies out here. So let's give it a taste. Fantastic. Okay, so it takes a little bit of work to do these lollipops. Does it taste just as good if you were to use the whole chicken leg? Yeah, it would. But is this sexy? Heck yeah, it's sexy. Look at this thing. Alright guys, smoked chicken lollipops. Do it.